Forget it, because perfect eyebrows are not for you if you're unable to sharpen your eyebrow pencil at every point in time. I want you to always have at the back of your mind that whenever you see a makeup with a slicked eyebrow, perfectly slit eyebrow, please just have at the back of your mind that there were ups and downs while creating that eyebrow. They were fixing and replacing and repainting and reshaping and all that. So I want you to be confident in yourself. Whenever you want to do your eyebrow, number one, sharpen your eye pencil. Number two is your confidence. Without your confidence, you are going to mess up. Be confident, and then that's why we have concealer. Use concealer to shapen it into whatever you want. With your consistency and with your sharpened eyebrow and confidence, you're going to blow the net. Everybody is going to bow to you. Trust me.